Today we're taking a closer look at a beautifully presented Land Rover Range Rover Sport 3.0 SDV6 HSE, finished in a stunning white exterior with a premium heated black leather interior. This model has been meticulously maintained, comes with a full comprehensive service history, has been recently serviced, and even includes 12 months of MO, giving you peace of mind and confidence on every drive. It's a perfect blend of luxury, capability, and refined performance. Now let's talk about the key highlights that make this Range Rover Sport stand out. You get striking 20-inch graphite alloy wheels that enhance its road presence, along with heated black leather seats that add comfort during every season. Keyless entry and start provide easy access, while the satellite navigation system ensures you're always on the right route. For entertainment, it offers DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and a powerful Harman Kardon premium audio system for an immersive in-car experience. This model is also equipped with a TV function, an onboard fridge for added convenience, and essential features like auto lights and auto wipers that adapt to your surroundings. With memory seats, the car adjusts perfectly to your preferred driving position every time. And of course, the powered tailgate adds practicality and ease for everyday usage. Overall, this Range Rover Sport HSE delivers luxury, comfort, and modern technology in one impressive package, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a premium SUV with true presence on the road.